May you walk with the Holy Spirit, lifting your gaze beyond the world and people, and live joyfully in His presence. The Holy Spirit delights in you and loves you deeply, even when you don't fully understand what He is doing in your life. He is always with you, patiently guiding and nurturing you. Following Jesus is a daily journey of growing closer to Him. While it may seem like we build intimacy step by step, there are moments when our faith and closeness to God grow suddenly and powerfully. May you experience such moments in your life. On this journey, may you draw near to God and see your faith deepen like never before. Galatians chapter 5:22-23 reminds us, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Those who are used by God are prepared with these fruits of the Spirit. In your life, may these fruits flourish and grow. The process of preparation may include trials, as God shapes us to reflect His character. Trust Him even in difficulties, knowing He is making you ready for His purpose. Hearing God's voice is not about how holy or prepared we are, it is a gift of grace. Let go of the pressure to meet certain standards or pray for long hours. God meets us the moment we turn our hearts toward Him. May you discover His will in the quietness of His presence and intimacy. Ask the Holy Spirit often, what is on your heart? He loves when we inquire not only about our own lives, but also about the souls of others. As you reflect and engage in conversation, ask the Holy Spirit what He thinks and align your heart with His. Be mindful that seeking God's voice can become a goal in itself. But the true blessing is in knowing His heart. Let your desire to understand the Holy Spirit's heart lead your prayers and guide your actions. May your journey with the Holy Spirit be filled with joy, intimacy, and trust. May you know His heart and live in His love, reflecting His glory in all that you do.